this is incredible. Things are kind of, you feel so comfortable, in a very natural surrounding. There is no artificiality to it.
So we got together at the very same location. We talked about what is the focus area for FY13. And to do that, we got the whole team together, we brainstormed on the ideas and came up with a very clear but yet focused strategy. And we did a lot of experimentation. We really institutionalized that, and as a result, we ended the year with overachieving our target. We ended the year with a lot of commercial innovations, creating things like assisted onboarding in India. Behind all this success, we did realize that we need to do three things. And those three things are: how do they build trust with us as managers, with the people they work with, and with all the other stakeholders. The second one was around pride. Do they have pride in what they do, the day-to-day job? Do they feel good about coming to the work? And third was the team bonding, the camaraderie among themselves. Because from trust to pride to this bonding, you can achieve awesome results.
When we started the session, I thought, okay, there will be a 30 slide or 20 slide presentation, but these guys just caught our attention with the key headlines in one slide, and then they got onto a very you can say inquisitive marketing campaign that we were part of. So that felt very good.
The team is a little bit ahead on a lot of the journey that Intuit is taking worldwide, with such a high focus on accountants. There are already people who are looking at what accountants are doing and helping them onboard for more and more customers.
So it was a great example of how we all were put in a team together. We were all also assigned a specific role, but when we worked in a team, we realized that actually that didn't matter. Whether you were assigned a director role or you're an editor role or an actor role, actually everybody switched and flip-flopped in that. Which is a great example of how startups work, right? That if you don't get hung up on your titles, on what you're designed to do, but you just do for the best of the outcome, things happen, and that kind of magic came about.
That the team is growing and new, but at the same time, the Intuit values are already at work. You can see how people are talking about, they understand the terms, they talk about the values.
The sessions that we have got so far from PD and from sales, from marketing and from support, they were really great, and the information that we have got, and in fact the best part about it is that the motivational speakers that we have got about the Mumbai Dabbawalas, getting to know about their journey and their business and how they work and how they're spreading their network across the Mumbai. It's truly amazing. It's truly inspirational.
It's how to keep it simple, not educated people, focus on the customer, deliver a great service.
Great to understand what it really takes to run a business.
How you can take the spontaneous decisions, how you don't have to be impulsive, to take an initiative to avoid wastage of food and to feed the people who don't have food.
And the street children having those food was amazing. I was into tears at that time.
During this particular conversation, enrich ourselves, with our knowledge, with our experience, with the insights into what we do. I think that would be the key to success.
I could see that there was talent coming out from everyone, and everybody has that hidden talent which was coming on last.
the talent show kicked off, we had 10 phenomenal performances. You know, we had people come out and sing songs, people come do dances, you know, people did dialogues, people just really mingled around and informally came up to stage and so on. So
Because the way he brought people into stage, nobody was left, and it's a complete change of man, change of personality as per the mood, and full of fun.
And then we ended up that night with awards, both for the talent show as well as for the movie, which was made, by the 4 teams.
People from IDC, people from entire GB team is together. It's like one Intune family.
And then we're going to wrap up the day with a few rewards and recognition for FY13. I think the entire team, when they hear it from customer, it gives them a very clear credibility that, hey, this feedback is very constructive. Extremely proud to have a team like this. I'm extremely proud to achieve, with the team, the results they've achieved. And I'm really looking forward to FY14 being a big inflection point for us to go to that 10x mark. Thanks again for a great offsite, and I really look forward to talking to all of you when we all get together next time.